Well, you might be wondering, why are we on the ground, Jordan? And that is a fair question. Because my power distro things came in, and I don't have a cord long enough for this. But let's go take a closer look while we be at somewhere normal. While we be at somewhere normal. Nice. Alright, so I bought a bunch of lights, and they're all, I got a USB-C power source for them. So I'll be doing USB-C as my main power driving. So I needed some way to get a standardized system up here. At least that's what I wanted. I wanted something standardized. I don't have to worry about dealing with different power types or anything. So let's zoom out, that might help. So I got this thing here, which goes from the USB-B connector to USB-C, and I bought some of these little, I call them pigtails, rat tails, there's probably a better name for them, but you know, little short 6-inch things. And then I got a couple hubs, like the smallest ones I could find that had just USB-C ports on them. Tried this one first, and it did not power the Arduino. I'm not sure why. It has, you know, the output capability. It says perfect for data transmission, but output at 5 volts at almost a full amp. So it should definitely power the Arduino. I tried a couple ports too, just in case. Still nothing. So there's something about how it, you know, distributes power. But this one, as you saw a minute ago, did get power. This Ugreen 10G. I'm gonna see if it says what its power specifics are. 2 amp max. That might have something to do with it. Although I don't think Arduino pulls all that much. But yeah, 2 amp max is nice. So it should be able to serve all of my needs. I can send that one back. Yeah, it was a 2-pack of these because that's how much they were the minimum. But I'll be able to basically brick build the Arduino in more or less like this in order to have the pass-through for other cables, because the towers need to have some way to get power between this tower and the next one and all that, in addition to having the hub, something, you know, like this, and then cord plug into there, and then another, I got 4 of them just in case, but it will give power to the lights and yeah, the lights. And so I'll have already planning on 3 or 4 lights down in this bottom area that's already been made, and then more lights throughout. So I bought a whole bunch of lights, more than I'll use in this build from Brick Stuff, and we'll see what I decide to use from all of that. Trying to think if there's anything else right this minute. I haven't made any more build changes to it recently, just because it's been busy with other things. But yeah, so power's coming, lights are coming. I'd like to have, I want to get basically an extender for this to plug in, so I can have it more or less permanently running over here, both to kind of just make sure that it runs well, and also just to have the visual, the excitement of the visual over there, and I think it'll look nice. I can always, you know, unplug and move it as needed if the kids are coming up. Oh, that just came done more. That's great. Super great there. Yeah. So there we go. That is the latest and the greatest.